Good morning, friend. Now, today we are discuss about compounds of nitrogen. Different type के compounds मैंने आपको कल बताए थे. Like example के तौर पे, first of all ammonia NH3, second nitric acid HNO3. Now, today we are discuss about nitric acid HNO3. HNO3 एक बहुत strong acid है. Nitric acid used in various reactions as a dehydrating agents because concentrated nitric acid absorb water and forms nitrous oxides and nitrogen dioxides. Sometimes nitric acid is also used in different various reactions like leather industries for tanning and so on. Nowadays nitric acid is used in silk industries, textile industries, leather industries and various reactions. Okay. Nitric acid is also used in the preparation of explosive like TNT, trinitrotoluenes and different type of RDX and so on. Okay. First of all, we are discuss about the method of preparation of nitric acid. But first of all, we are discuss about the structure of nitric acid and arrangement of bonds with oxidation number. Beginning is HNO3 nitric acid. HNO3 nitric acid oxidation number +5, structure nitrogen, one, two, three, four, five different bonds, 1 for hydrogen, okay. Now oxygen, then hydrogen, oxygen, हाइड्रोजन एक इलेक्ट्रॉन अपने पास रखेगा, किस टाइप से बॉन्डिंग होगी, ये अरेंजमेंट है. One lone pair, for oxygens. Real structure is HNO3, HNO3 का स्ट्रक्चर कुछ इस टाइप से बनेगा. देख रहे हैं आप लोग, HNO3 normals and single structures, most time the structure HNO3. Now method of preparations, lab method. Lab method नाइट्रिक एसिड लैब में हम कैसे प्रिपेयर करेंगे, laboratory method. HNO3 के प्रिपरेशन के लिए हमें H2SO4 रिक्वायरमेंट रहेगी H2SO4 का। नाउ सोडियम नाइट्राइट NaNO3 सोडियम नाइट्रेट react with sulfuric acid concentrated sodium nitrate react with concentrated sulfuric acid and form nitric acid. Okay, now the most important product is HNO3 plus NaHSO4. HNO3 plus NaHSO4, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and sodium bisulfate. सोडियम बाइसल्फेट मोस्ट टाइम पे सेक्शन है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन है सोडियम बाइसल्फेट। रिएक्शन यहाँ पे इनकम्प्लीट है अभी, और सोडियम बाइसल्फेट again react with sulfuric acid, sorry, nitrate, sodium nitrate, NaNO3, sodium bisulfate again react with NaNO3, sodium nitrate, and form HNO3 अगेन फिर से बाहर हो जाएगा और यहाँ पे आपको HNO3 के साथ Na2SO4 सोडियम सल्फेट, सोडियम सल्फेट, sodium sulfate fuels. This is called laboratory method of preparation of nitric acid. First of all, sodium nitrate NaNO3, sodium nitrate NaNO3 react with sodium nitrate react with sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, now at a particular temperature and form nitric acid with sodium bisulfate NaHSO4. Second section, again sodium bisulfate react with sodium nitrate, sodium bisulfate again react with sodium nitrate, and finally converted into nitric acid and sodium sulfate Na2SO4. Laboratory method of preparation of nitric acid. Okay, now according to the nitric acid, some important few points like oxidation number, chemical formula, structures and bond structures, everything. तो सिंगल बॉन्ड्स, कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड्स, एरो वाला बॉन्ड जो है आपको कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड है, देन बैलेंसिक नाइट्रोजन का 3 है, ऑक्सीजन का 2 है, हाइड्रोजन का 1 है, इसलिए हमने इसे अरेंज किया है। ठीक है, नाउ सोडियम नाइट्रेट NaNO3 कैसे क्या लैब में आपको प्रिपेयर्ड होगा इसके बारे में आपको बताया गया है। ठीक है, तो द इनिशियल इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट्स प्लीज नोट कर लीजिए इसको। ठीक, laboratory method of preparation of nitric acid. Now second, industrial method for preparation of nitric acid, and method name is Ostwald process. Ostwald's process. Ostwald process. Ostwald process, again साइंटिस्ट नेम प्रोसेस. Ostwald प्रोसेस में साइंटिस्ट ने किससे नाइट्रिक एसिड बनाया? सबसे पहले क्या लिया? अमोनिया, NH3. अमोनिया react with oxygen. Ammonia react with oxygen. The most IMP and important process. Ammonia react with oxygen, NH3 plus O2 and form, first of all, nitric oxide, NO plus water. NO plus water, nitric oxide plus water molecules. Second, nitric oxide reactions occur in presence of platinum or rhodium metal. यहाँ पे catalyst बहुत important है. First of all, you know about the catalyst. Reactions occur in presence of platinum or rhodium gas. At this high temperature, platinum, in presence of platinum or rhodium gas, ammonia gas combined with oxygen, ammonia and oxygen combined with each other and form nitric oxide. Okay, now nitric oxide again react with oxygen in oxidation chamber, and finally nitric oxide is converted into nitrogen dioxide or NO2. In the water absorption columns, nitrogen dioxide react with oxygen or water molecules and form nitric acid. This process is very simple and very easy, but based on the catalytic process. यहाँ platinum or rhodium work as the catalyst because they combine with ammonia with oxygen. Now, ammonia combined with oxygen and form nitric oxide with water. And nitric oxide again react with oxygen in oxidation chamber and form nitrogen dioxide gas. Okay, now nitrogen dioxide gas react with water molecules. Nitrogen dioxide gas react with water molecules and form nitrous acid and nitric acid, HNO2 and HNO3. Although finally nitrous acid combined with each other, HNO2 and completely convert into HNO3. So finally, in the Ostwald process, we know about the method of preparation of nitric acid in the laboratory and in the industrial process. In the industrial process, the most IMP process is Ostwald process. Ostwald साहब ने क्या बताया? Ammonia gas combined with oxygen in presence of platinum. Yes, catalyst most important, platinum or rhodium. नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड्स एंड वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स रिएक्शन को बैलेंस करना है. देखिए रिएक्शन को बैलेंस करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हाइड्रोजन 3 2 moles and 3 moles, but I think it's unable. 4 moles, 4 3s are 12, 6 plus 4 5. Reaction is totally balanced. Second step, nitric oxide plus O2, NO2, 2 moles, 2 moles. Third reaction, NO2, H2O, HNO2 and HNO3. Now reaction is balanced by the help of simple process. Example, NO2 plus H2O, HNO2 plus HNO3. Remember it, number of nitrogen is 2 and number of oxygen is 3. So first of all we balance nitrogen 1 plus 1 2, 2 moles, 2 to the 4 plus 1 5, 3 plus 2 5, hydrogen 2 and nitrogen 2 moles. Last step 3, HNO2 converted into HNO3 by the help of 3 moles three to just 6 plus O2, HNO2 plus O2, HNO3. Now reaction balance by the help of 4 moles 4 moles 2 3 to the 6 2 2 to the 4 plus 2 6. Now nitric acid. Reaction is based on the process according to the nitric oxide and water molecules. All reaction is based on nitrogen dioxide, nitric oxides, nitrous oxide and nitric acid, because it's totally based on the reactions process, totally based on catalytic process. This in short and sweet diagrams, Ostwald process. Ostwald प्रोसेस में आप डायग्राम के बारे में अगर थोड़ा सा समझेंगे तो डायग्राम इज वेरी सिंपल. यहां अमोनिया plus oxygen ammonia and oxygen ammonia plus oxygen is a platinum gauze प्लेटिनम के अलग अलग वार्स. यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड प्लस O2 ऑक्सीडेशन चेंबर, complete oxidation chamber, क्वार्ट्ज के टुकड़े, now water molecules, quartz and nitric acid HNO3. Nitrous oxide react with oxygen, oxidation chamber, nitrogen dioxide NO2. NO2 combined with water and form finally nitric acid. Okay, now this is the most important process, the Ostwald process. Chemical reactions in the diagram of Ostwald process. First of all, we receive ammonia and oxygen gas. Ammonia oxygen gas pass through the platinum gauze or platinum wires or rhodium wires. Ammonia react with oxygen and gives nitric oxides. Nitric oxide react with oxygen in oxidation chamber and form nitrogen dioxide. क्वार्ट्ज के पीसेस अलग अलग फिलअप रहते हैं पूरे, उसमें से वाटर ऊपर से आएगा, water plus nitrogen dioxides and form nitric acid HNO3. So it's a fire process. Most important and easy process of the preparation of nitric acid. Okay, note down करिएगा. Next, next is physical properties of nitric acid. Physical property of nitric acid. Physical properties of nitric acid HNO3. नाइट्रिक एसिड का फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज क्या क्या है वो देखिए आप लोग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, नाइट्रिक एसिड ऑलमोस्ट इन लिक्विड स्टेट, फिजिकल स्टेट, liquid state. Second is color, colorless solution. Third is order, orderless or pleasant smell sometimes. Fourth, reactivity. Reactivity, highly reactive, extremely highly reactive, highly reactive. Highly reactive. Oxidation number +5. Nature acidic in nature. pH scale, pH value less than 7, pH value less than 7 and different physical. Boiling point, melting points 7, boiling point, melting point less than water, last density greater than water. Because नाइट्रिक एसिड इस कंसंट्रेटेड एसिड है, कंसंट्रेटेड एसिड के फॉर्म में आपको एक्युमुलेट करते हैं यहाँ पे फ्यूमिंग नाइट्रिक एसिड और फिर आप इसको आसानी तैयार कर सकते हैं. नाइट्रिक एसिड इज बेस्ड ऑन different chemical process. Number of process is conducted by nitric acids. So nitric acid is mostly useful elements. Okay, now note कर लीजिए इसको.